Fire instant electric water heater. Splash-proof extended equipment life. Power on self-test. Knob control simple and easy to operate. ABS flame-retardant back shell. Multi-point water outlets widely application. 11 safety features safeguard your whole family. Patented shock-proof technology. In case of electricity leakage, the voltage can always be kept lower than 5 volts to ensure safety. Dual copper heating tube is made of pure copper material. Speeds up the heating process. The thickened copper tank is capable of withstanding pressure up to 100,000 times. Meet various water usage needs.